Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to cut and sew bagging jumpsuit. I have 3.5 inches by 60. I'm using light net material. I fold into two. I'm going to start with the bagging trouser before I cut the top. After folding my material into two, I will remove 16 inches. This is 16 inches. Then I will measure from there. This 16 inches I remove is the one I'm going to cut later, which I'm going to sew on this place. I will measure from there. This is 60 inches. I will add 2 inches to sew. Waist is 80 inches. 80 divided by 4 will give me 20 inches, which is here. Crotch 13 inches. Hip is 80 inches divided by 4 gives me 20 inches. Lap is divided by 2 will give me 21 inches. This is the front. I'm cutting the front. Then I will mark I will cut here. Bottom is 36 inches. 36 divided by 2. I will cut here and here. This is the front. I'm going to cut the back. I fold to 2. I'm going to measure the back of the trouser. There's the front. I will place the front on top. The side of the back and the front is the same. It's only where the crotch is that the back is higher than the front. 2 inches higher than the front. I will cut from here. I will leave 1 inch here, 1 inch, 1 inch, and almost 2 inches on the lap. This is the side of the trouser. The side, the two sides. I will mark the back, so I will cut from here to here, so that the back and the front will be equal on the side, just on the side. Like this. This place, the side is equal, but on the crotch part, the back is 2 inches higher than the front. This is the back. I will sew and I will sew for the front. The remaining one for the top, I fold into 2 and I fold again to give me into 4. I will add zip on the back. After folding into 4, I will cut the sleeve and the shoulder together. This is the shoulder and the sleeve. I will cut together. The measurement here is 24 inches. I measure neckline 3 inches. Round sleeve is 13 inches. 13 divided by 2 will give me 6.5 inches. Then I will add 1 inch to sew. From shoulder down, 11 inches. Bust is 40 inches. Divide by 4 will give me 10 inches plus sewing allowance. Under bust is 36 inches. Divide by 4 will give me 9 inches plus sewing allowance and plus that. I will cut here. Half length 16 inches plus sewing allowance. I will cut the back for zip. This is the back and this is the front. And this is the sleeve and the shoulder cut together. I will cut the front neck and the back neck. Deep neck on the back. Front, I measure 3.5 inches on the depth. That is the front. And I mark this shape, and then I will cut the way I mark. There's the front neck. The back, 11 inches. Then I will mark from here. Front and the back. I will add that on the front and the back. I'm going to start to sew. For the neck, I will use the same material to sew the neckline. I will cut from this one. I will join here, then I will sew from here round to this place. After sewing, I will sew this way. I will sew from here to here. From here, 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. Then I will measure from down here up 5 inches. 5 inches. I will add that here. I will add that here, and I will add on the back. When I'm done doing that, I will sew the two sides. I will show you how I'm going to sew the pockets on the trouser. I'm done sewing the neck with bias. That's on the front and back, and the sleeve I hem with 1/2 inch. Then I will bring and I will measure 6.5 inches, which is the round sleeve. I will measure here 36 inches divided by 4 is 9 inches. Then I will measure 9 inches. Then I will sew to here. I will do the same on this side. The bagging trouser, remember I'm going to sew zip on the back. So I leave 11 inches. From here to here is 11 inches. I didn't sew here. I sew from here like that. You can see how big the trouser is. After adding plaits on the waist, it will look like this. This is how it will look like. The measurement I have here is 12 inches. This is the pocket, 7.5 inches here. I will notch here 7.5 inches. I notch from here down here 7.5 inches. I will sew here. I finish sewing one side. I will measure 7.5 inches. From here to this place is 7.5 inches. I measure 7.5 inches from here. Then I notch. I'm done sewing. This is the back of the material and this is the front. I will bring the right side this way. It will relax on the side like this. Then what I will do is bring this one out. I'm not going to sew this one. I will sew here like this. So to 7.5 inches here, 7.5 inches. This is how I will sew. You can see the way it is. This is the pocket, and this way I'm going to one side of the pocket to the side of the trouser. I will sew down. After sewing down, then it will come this way. This is where I sew from here. Then this is the pocket. After sewing, this is the back. Then I will bring, it will come like this. This is how it will come. I will hold here with pin. This is how it will come. The pocket will come to the back. This is the front. Then I will go and sew just on top here. This place is open. This is where my hand is going to go into. Then I will sew on top here, just like this place. I top stitch here. You can see the way it is, and this place is still like this. When I'm done doing that, I will join the two sides together. I will place the back on top. I will sew straight down, and this side I will sew straight down. I will sew plain on the waist. This is where I'm going to sew zip on, and this is the back. I place together with pin. This is where I'm going to sew, and I will add plain on the waist. And this place, I will hold this place with pin. You can see the extra material here. Extra, the one, this is the trouser. This extra is the one I will plait on the waist all through. When I'm done doing that, I will sew zip on the back. I'm done sewing plait on the waist, and I sew zip on the back. Side pockets. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. As always, share this video to everyone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.